students, welcome to Rishikul Online School. We are doing chapter number 13, Why Do We Fall Ill? In this chapter we have learnt about health, disease and types of diseases, acute and chronic, infectious and non-infectious disease. Now we will learn about the means of spread. The question arises that how do infectious diseases spread? Many microbial agents can commonly move from one infected person to someone else in a variety of ways. In other words, they can be communicated, and these are also called communicable diseases. So first type through which these diseases can spread is through air. This occurs through the little droplets thrown out by an infected person who sneezes or coughs. Someone standing close by can breathe in these droplets, and the microbes get a chance to start a new infection. Example of such diseases are like common cold, pneumonia, tuberculosis, etc. We all have had the experience of sitting near someone suffering from a cold or catching it ourselves. Obviously, the more crowded our living conditions are, the more likely it is that such airborne diseases will spread. Second is that these diseases can also spread through water. This occurs if the excreta from someone suffering from an infectious gut disease such as cholera get mixed with the drinking water used by the people living nearby. The cholera causing microbes will enter new hosts through the water they drink and cause disease in them. Such diseases are much more likely to spread in the absence of safe supplies of drinking water. So the examples you can see: cholera, dysentery, etc. Now next is through vectors. My dear students, we live in an environment that is full of many other creatures apart from us. It is inevitable that many diseases will be transmitted by other animals. These animals carry the infected agents from a sick person to another potential host. These animals are thus the intermediaries and are called vectors. The commonest vector, as we all know, are mosquitoes. In many species of mosquitoes, the female need highly nutritious food in the form of blood in order to be able to lay mature eggs. Mosquitoes on many warm-blooded animals, including us. In this way, they can transfer diseases from person to person. And the diseases which are caused through mosquitoes are malaria, dengue, yellow fever, etc. And other vectors are flies, and they cause typhoid, tuberculosis, diarrhea, dysentery, etc. Now, next means of spread of diseases is through sexual contact. Through sexual contact, the diseases caused examples are syphilis and AIDS. AIDS virus can also spread through blood transfusion from infected mother to her baby during pregnancy, and also through breastfeeding. And as I've told you, this disease cannot spread through shaking hands, coughing, sneezing, kissing, embracing, sharing utensils and telephone, swimming pools and toilets, sharing towels, blood-sucking insects, crowded transport. All these diseases do not spread through these means. And as I've told you, the animals, whenever we are petting any animal or touching any surface they come into the contact with, we should wash our hands to avoid such diseases. So that's all for today. Thank you.